What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max by Ringke. Now, Ringke makes a ton of cases, not just for iPhones, but for Samsungs, LGs. I will be putting a link to their website in the description, and I will be putting links to the cases you see here in my description as well, in case you guys want to purchase those yourself. And if you like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to do a review for you guys. You can also have a chance to win an iPhone 11 from me. I will be putting a link to that video in the description as well, so make sure you go and check that out for your chance to win an iPhone 11. So the first case we're going to look at is the Onyx by Ringke. So it's got that brushed texture in the back. This is a flexible TPU case. So it's got the carbon fiber look, kind of like on the top and the bottom, and then the that brushed metal look. It looks to have metal buttons. They're silver, pretty nice. There's a little cutout for your vibration button, cutouts for the charging port, the mics, and the speakers. And as I said before, it is flexible. It has like the grippy side. So let's go ahead and check it out on the phone. Just kind of snap it in, super simple. Buttons are very responsive. Feels pretty good in the hand. There's your cutouts on the bottom and your camera on the back. Buttons are very responsive. And then as you can see, you have that lip here, a very prominent lip. So if you do put your phone down, you don't have to worry about the screen touching whatever you put it on. Very nice. So that is the Onyx by Ringke. And then the next one we're going to take a look at is the Fusion. This is a clear case. Again, it's kind of like a soft TPU and has a hard back on it. And this is nice if you want to show off that color of your phone and not hide it and make it look like every other phone. Especially if you have the red one or a green one, you definitely want to show that off. So let's put the phone in here. And then another thing to keep in mind, before you use these cases, they come with a protective cover on them on the inside and the back. So I just took those off first just to save some time. But there is the phone inside the case here. It's got that lip again. So you don't have to worry about anything touching your screen when you put the phone down. And I have the space gray. Looks pretty nice in that clear case. Again, the buttons are super responsive, very clicky. There's your cutouts. Very cool. I like that. And it's grippy too, so you know everything is made out of the same material. So here is the Fusion X. It's kind of a cross between the clear and the rubber sides, and this one has more protection. Let's put the phone in here. Again, it's got that prominent lip, so you don't have to worry about it touching your screen. And this one has reinforced bumpers on the corners. So if you happen to drop your phone on the corner, you don't have to worry about it cracking. And I like the design. I've always liked the design. I've used the Ringke cases now for my work phone and my Galaxy S10 Plus, and they've worked really great. They feel really good in the hand. The buttons are always super clicky. This one has the plus and the minus separated here. It's got your little texture for the power button. This one, the Fusion X, is my favorite cases out of all of the Ringke cases, but that's just me. And then you get your clear back so you can show off the color of your phone, which is really nice. And I have one more. This one I found to be my ultimate favorite. This is another Fusion X, but it's a camo, a textured camo color. So if you had that green or the space gray, I think that would look really awesome in here. So again, same coverage on the sides in case it falls, same lip height, but the back, it's got that nice camo. I think if you had the green, it would look super cool in here. And it has a texture, so it's not just, you know, smooth like the regular Fusion X, but it's got that texture, and you can see like the Apple logo through the camo in the back. That is super cool. This is my favorite case. I'm sure there's a lot of you out there that would think the same thing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. What's your favorite one? So again, those are the Ringke cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Like I said before, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check these out yourself. And don't forget to sign up for that iPhone 11 giveaway. All you have to do is click on the video and follow my directions, and you be entered to win an iPhone 11. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.